Designed for Azure Virtual Machine Solutions. Azure Virtual Machines, VMs, are a core component of the Infrastructure as a Service, IaaS, model, offering scalability, flexibility, and speed for developing, testing, and deploying applications. Key use cases. 1. Building new workloads, ideal for applications with fluctuating demand, providing a cost-effective compute solution. 2. Lift and shift migration, enables seamless migration of on-premises applications and data to the cloud without major modifications. Azure VMs support both new deployments and rehosting strategies, making them a versatile choice for cloud computing needs. Things to consider when using Azure Virtual Machines. Let's walk through a checklist of things to consider when using Azure Virtual Machines as a compute solution. Start with your network. Name your virtual machine and decide the location. Determine the size of your virtual machine. Review the pricing model and Azure storage options. Select an operating system. Network configuration for Azure Virtual Machines. Before setting up virtual machines, it's crucial to plan the network configuration. Prioritize network design. Configure network addresses and subnets carefully, as they are difficult to modify later. On-premises integration. If connecting to an existing on-premises network, plan the topology to ensure seamless communication. A well-structured network foundation ensures efficient VM deployment and management in Azure. Virtual Machine Naming Convention. Here we see a structured naming convention for a virtual machine, VM, in an Azure environment. The server name follows a standardized format that includes key attributes. 1. Environment, dev, indicates that this VM is for development purposes. 2. Location, USC, represents the geographical region or data center, example, US Central. 3. Purpose, web, specifies the function of the VM, which in this case is a web server. 4. Instance number, O1, uniquely identifies the VM instance in a sequence. Key points. Virtual machine location in Azure. Global data centers. Azure has data centers worldwide, grouped into regions, e.g., West US, North Europe, Southeast Asia. Redundancy and AMP, availability. These data centers ensure high availability and fault tolerance. Resource allocation. Virtual machines are assigned CPU and storage in the selected region. Performance and AMP, compliance. Placing VMs closer to users improves latency, performance, and ensures regulatory compliance. Hardware availability. Some configurations may not be available in every region. Cost variations. Prices differ across regions, so it's advisable to check for cost-effective options. Key points. Virtual machine size in Azure. Choosing a size, VM size determines memory, CPU, and storage, based on workload needs. Workload-based selection. Azure offers different VM classifications for specific use cases. Azure Virtual Machine Classifications. General purpose, balanced CPU to memory. Best for testing, development, small databases, low to medium traffic web servers. Compute optimized, high CPU to memory. Ideal for medium traffic web servers, network appliances, batch processing, and application servers. Memory optimized, high memory to CPU. Suitable for relational databases, large caches, and in memory analytics. Storage optimized, high disk throughput and AMP, I/O. Used for VMs running databases requiring high disk performance. GPU-based, heavy graphics and AMP, AI workloads. Designed for graphics rendering, video editing, deep learning model training. High performance compute, HPC, fastest CPU and AMP, high throughput. Required for high performance workloads and high traffic networks. Selecting the right VM size ensures optimal performance and cost efficiency. Virtual machine pricing in Azure. Azure bills for compute and storage separately, allowing independent scaling. Compute costs, priced per hour, but billed per minute, example, 55 minutes equals charge for 55 minutes. No compute charges if the VM is stopped and deallocated. Pricing depends on VM size and operating system. Storage costs, charged separately for the Azure storage used by the VM. Applies even if the VM is stopped, disk storage is always billed. This pricing model ensures cost efficiency by letting users control compute expenses while maintaining persistent storage. Azure Storage for Virtual Machines. Azure Managed Disks automate storage account creation and management. User control. You only need to specify disk size and performance tier, standard or premium. Scalability. Storage scales automatically as you add disks or change VM size. Simplified management. No need to manually manage storage usage when scaling VMs. Azure Storage ensures efficient, hassle-free disk management while optimizing performance. Operating system in Azure Virtual Machines. OS options. Azure offers a variety of Windows and Linux operating system images. Cost inclusion. The OS license cost is bundled into the VM pricing. Azure Marketplace provides pre-configured images with software stacks, example, WordPress with LAMP stack. Saves time by avoiding manual installation of each component. Custom OS images. Users can upload their own disk images to Azure storage and deploy VMs. Only 64-bit operating systems are supported. Azure simplifies OS selection by offering ready-to-use and customizable options for VM deployment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.